What is up to the night DIYers? I'm going to be showing you guys some slime. My video, the one just ended, so I'm going to post that, then this is part 2. I was currently just showing them this green jiggly slime because I added lotion, so it's very jiggly. It's very stretchy. And in the other video, I made a orange cream slime, and I was comparing it to the other one. The other one is kind of hard and like putty. It's like putty, but I'm not going to show that one because it's currently getting stretchier by me making it sit. And this one is also jiggly because I added lotion. And it's way better though than the other one. It smells like oranges, citrus. It's orange. It's jiggly. It's stretchy and just very good. And I was also going to show them this other slime with the video ended. So, this is part 2. So this is my other slime. I'm going to put the camera down so you guys can see it on the actual board. Okay, this is actually really sticky, so I'm going to add some activator. I'm going to put it on the cutty board so I can actually mix it in. I'm going to add some more baking soda because that's what I use. I need it to be like less sticky, like all my other jiggly ones. She's doing weird things in the back of my video, and yes, don't mind her. She's not sticking the middle finger at you. She's sticking the middle finger at me. Oh my god, this is very sticky. Okay. More activator. This makes me so sad because that's my last bit of activator. But I don't have any more glue either, so it doesn't really matter. It looks like cloud slime almost when it drops. But it's not because I don't have any instance now. So, but I will be making cloud slime soon. I ordered some things like a tripod and a gallon of glue, some scents, and then, yeah, a ring light, I think, but it's too mini. That was the last bit of my activator, but still have to mix it in. I don't have any more glue anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I have about 4 slimes that are scented. Is this one? This one is not scented yet, but it will be scented Fruit Loops. So I'm just adding an activator. Oh my god. 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 Very sticky. It's not as sticky as it was a minute ago. And I just added in the rest of my activators, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add in some more baking soda, then I'll add in some food coloring because I don't like this strawberry milkshake color. There. It's a little bit better. I can handle it more. So I'm gonna add in some pink and some red, a drop of red, and then a drop of blue because I want it to be purple. So I'm gonna do 2 drops of red. That's actually 4. So that means I'm gonna do 2 drops of blue. One, 2. Now I'm gonna mix these in so we can make purple. Dropkick what mic? My favorite mic? Magic mic? Dropkick magic mic? We're not gonna dropkick no magic mic. Okay, so I'm mixing it in. It's not going as purple as I want it, so I'm gonna have to use more food coloring. It looks like a really dirty purple, and I want it to be like a vibrant purple, so I'm just gonna add in more blue. That was a lot of blue. Oh my god, I have purple inside of me, but it's not really any purple in it. It was from a marker. Oh my god, it's all on me. I literally am always having so much food coloring or marker dye on my hands. Sorry for that loud noise. It was a motorcycle. So yeah, okay, that was the slime. I'm done with the slime. It's purple enough. On camera it looks blue. Oh well, I am done with the slime. Where's the container? Here it is. Put it up, and now I'm going to be... Yeah, so that was the end of today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Comment down below more videos you would like me to do. And comment down some stuff. And I will be doing a giveaway soon of some slimes. So if you like the video, you'll get some slime. That is it for today. Love you guys, and